Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on Instagram. It's easy and fast. First, you can open your Instagram app and go to your profile page in the bottom right corner. Now you want to look for professional dashboard. It means you are on a professional account. If you don't, you can click three lines in the top right corner. And then you can scroll down until you find account type and tools. And you can click switch to professional account. And then you can click next. Now you can choose whatever you want. Let's say I want to choose artist. And then next. Now you can choose whatever you want. In my case, I will choose creator. Click next. And continue. And you can go to your profile page. You can refresh it. And as you can see, there is professional dashboard. And now if you want to schedule post, you can upload a photo. Then click next. And then click next again. And now you can scroll down and go to more option. And then as you can see, there is schedule this post option. You can click it. And you can choose the time and date. Done. That's it. Thank you.